This is the solution video for question 21 from part B of the 2019 ECAA paper. In this question, we're told y in terms of x is given by this, y equals 3 times the square root of x plus 1 over 2, or minus 1. And we're asked which of the following, from A to G, gives x in terms of y, where x is an expression of some formula of y in all of these 7. In this question, we need to rearrange this expression carefully for x. So let's start by writing it down. Y equals 3 root x plus 1 over 2 minus 1. So where do we go from here? Well, we potentially want to square both sides to get rid of this square root. But this is a pretty nasty form to square root because we'd have to expand this side. So if we move the minus 1 over here by adding 1 to both sides, this expression here is a lot easier to square both sides. Another motivation for doing this is looking at our options from A to G. We see y plus 1 is bundled together in nearly every single one of them, so putting it together in our rearrangement here is probably a good idea. So let's get rid of this square root and square both sides. So we have y plus 1 squared is equal to 9, 3 squared times x plus 1 over 2. So let's bring the 2 and a 9 over because we want the coefficient of the x to be 1, i.e. we want x on its own. So times 3 by 2 divided by 9 to get to 2 over 9, y plus 1 squared is equal to x plus 1. Now this is where we have a slight difficulty because we see a 9 doesn't appear in any of A to G. But a key thing to recognise is that 3 squared appears an awful lot and 9 is 3 squared. So if we could change 9 into 3 squared, we might make some more progress and it might look a bit more like one of these. So let's do that. So we have 2 lots of y plus 1 over 3. So we change 9 to 3 squared and bring it inside. Squared is equal to x plus 1. And take 1 from both sides and we have a rearrangement. Now, does it match with any of ours here? Indeed it does. It matches with C. And so our answer is C.